Hey guys, it's John B back with another YouTube video. Today I was inspired to create this Euphoria makeup look with like silver glitter tears and just like a regular smoky eye look with like really thick falsies and stuff. Super cute and it's edgy, but it also has that like Euphoria trippy vibe to it, so I think it's pretty cool. If you want to learn how I created this look, then keep watching. Okay, so I just filled in my eyebrows. I used the Anastasia Dip Brow Pomade in the shade Ebony, and then I went ahead and concealed them with the Born This Way concealer in the shade Natural Beige. So for my eyes, I'm just using this MAC mineral powder in the shade Dark Golden, using that on this really big fluffy e.l.f. eyeshadow brush. I'm just blending this out into my crease and slightly onto my eyelid, and I'm going to blend it out onto my temple to kind of elongate my eye. I'm just going to pop on some falsies really quick. For this eye look, it's kind of the eyeliner and the glitter part that makes it like pop and makes it more Euphoria-ish. So I wanted to keep the eyes really simple in terms of eyeshadow. I'm just taking this MAC kajal pencil, and for now I'm just gonna tightline my top. And then I'm just going to be using this Maybelline Lash Sensational mascara, and I'm going to be using this to tie my top eyelashes into my falsies. Okay, and then for now, I'm going to start on my face, and then I'm going to go back and do the eyeliner and the glitter stuff later. For today, I'm just going to be using concealer, like I'm going to skip foundation altogether. So again, I'm just using this Born This Way concealer in the shade Natural Beige. I'm going to be putting this right underneath my eyes, a little bit around my mouth, on the corners of my eyes to help elongate a bit, and then also right between the arch of my eyebrow. And then I'm just blending this out with the damp beauty sponge. And then I'm going to be using the Fenty matchsticks in the shade Mocha to contour. I'm popping this underneath my cheekbones, underneath my jawline, on my chin, and around my nose. I'm going to be blending my contour out with this kind of dense face brush. I'm going to be blending out my nose contour with this little eyeshadow brush. And then I'm going to go back into the MAC mineral powder, the dark golden shade, and I'm going to use that on this really big fluffy face brush, and I'm going to be setting my contour and kind of bronzing a little bit as well. And then I'm going to be going into my Mercier translucent under eye powder, and I'm going to be using this velvety sponge, and I'm going to be using this to bake. I'm just gonna use whatever's left on this sponge to just set the rest of the wet concealer parts on my face, like underneath my eyes and between my eyebrows. Okay, now I'm just gonna go back into the really big fluffy brush that I used for my bronzer, and I'm just gonna wipe off the bake. The bake was setting on my face for like 5 minutes, by the way. Okay, so next I'm gonna do highlighter. I'm using this e.l.f. like UV highlighter, and it has like a bluish and then a more purplish tone, so I'm gonna be using the purple one. I'm just popping this onto my cheekbones. And then I'm going to take a regular highlighter like this Becca Champagne Pop one. I'm going to be using this for my brow bone, my inner corner, and my nose. And I'm just taking this on a skinnier brush. Then I'm going to be using this Milani Baked Blush in the shade Rose. And I'm going to be taking that on this angled blush brush. And I want to make my skin look really sun-kissed, so I'm going to be using this to blend together my highlighter and my bronzer. And I'm also going to be putting this on top of the center of my nose. Okay, now we're done with the face. I'm going to go back to my eyes for the eyeliner, and then I'm going to do lips, and then we're going to go into glitter. So I'm going to go back to the MAC Kajal pencil, and first I'm going to be using this flat eyeshadow brush, and I'm going to smoke out some of the kajal underneath my bottom lash line. And then I'm just going to take the pencil and tightline my lower waterline as well. And then I'm just going to wing out the corner of my eye a little bit more with the kajal and the brush again. Kind of like a smudgy, smoky wing. And then I'm going to use this super duper thin and skinny flat brush, and I'm going to use some more of the kajal and then just wing out my little inner corner a little bit. Okay, so now we're going on to lips. I'm going to start by lining my lips with this Revlon lip liner in the shade Mauve. And then I'm going to be topping it off with this Sephora lip gloss. This lip gloss kind of has like UV sparkles in it, so I thought it would go better with the makeup look. I have this little silver glitter from Sephora, and I'm going to be using this to sketch out the tear shape. And I'm going to be using this little flat skinny eyeshadow brush. Once I'm done with that outline for the tears with the silver eyeshadow, I'm going to use some Benign Spirit Gum as an adhesive for my silver glitter that I'm just going to place right on top of the tear outline. And then I'm going to take this e.l.f. glitter eyeliner in the shade Pink Opal. And I'm just going to put this underneath the little inner corner wing that we put and underneath the outer corner wing that we put on as well. Once I'm done with the glitter tears and the glitter eyeliner, I'm going to go back into my Maybelline Lash Sensational mascara and just apply that to my bottom eyelashes. I'm pretty proud of how it turned out. It's really cute, and the way that we did the eyes and the face makeup is extremely flattering for like any face shape. And the tears add such like a nice accent, and it's like really big, but I don't know, it's really cute. I hope you enjoyed watching me create this look. Please like and subscribe, and all the products that I used are going to be listed in the description box below. Thank you!